I fixed it? Oosh! This particular video, I'm going to start with a disclaimer because it's going to attract two types of people. It's either going to attract people like myself who actually own and work on these cars and just want to keep them on the road. And then it's going to attract doddery, dusty old farts that live vicariously on the internet back in the days when you could quite easily buy parts for these. If you're the latter, fuck off. If you're the first, please enjoy this video. These two compression fittings and this 2 meter length of pipe to fashion a proper repair. Zip ties, lovely. They're good zip ties, them. Quality. 1, 2, 3. You can go in the bin. It's 7 o'clock, my working day's done, I'm still ill. However, the levels of wanting to be out and about and driving and using this car are infinite. With any luck, oh, okay. It doesn't even look that bad. It's a little bit over, is it overlised? Perhaps a little bit. The pipe itself looks good. Dry from there on up, okay, that's a good sign. We like that. Let's go this side. Back there, hang on, I'm trying to get the light up here. Back there, I don't know if you can see it, but there's a bodge. We're going to unbodge that bodge with a fresh, better quality bodge. These compression fitting type arrangements are something which I have absolutely no problem with at all in any way, shape or form. I'm in a funny mood today. The key point with these two compression fittings is to get them connected on properly, nicely, thoroughly. They've got to be connected up properly. If they're not connected up properly and not nice and tight, it will just leak. And all of this for nothing. I'm going to do the hard one first. This is the hard one. That fit over nicely. Oh, it does. It does. That was unexpected. I'll show you what we're working with now. So we've got the fitting on. It screws itself in. We've got the olive of the compression fitting there. Now what we're going to do is we're going to slide that on so that it all butts up. Thread this in. And as I thread that in, it will pull this up the pipe to where it needs to be. 10mm on there, 10mm on there. I can snug this up. And as I do, the compression fitting will close. Well, that ain't going anywhere. There's a bend up there, and there's a bend up there. So let's just go with something like, it's a bit straighter. Let's go with something like that for now. And then let's feed it up here as best I can. Is that it? There we go. We've got the pipe. Like I say, I'm going to go with more length on this side than required so that I can trim it down as, oh god, that was suboptimal, so that I can trim it down as needed. I don't care if it's too long on this end because this end is the difficult end. Right, now let's clip that in, clip that in, clip that in. Not a professional repair, but as good as one. I'm gonna drive my Citroen in the sun. Can you see what I've done there? Would you like me to zoom in? There we go. Got a nice connection. Just there. Cool, sweet, job done, life's looking good. So now We've just got to trim down a little bit of this. Not the cleanest cut I've ever done in my life. But good enough for agriculture, my friend. Yeah, that is absolutely fine by me. And it all fits on lovely. Woohoo! 10mm, 10mm, thin 10mm, thick 10mm. Oh. This is all going to work beautifully. I'm going to be driving my Citroen XM home. Apparently. If we all say it together, it might actually happen. Whee! Mechanic. Will this work? Who knows? We'll find out homogeneously. Right, I'm going to take a picture of it and then we'll drop it down. Let's go. Bonnet open to visit the LH Emery. Let's get the boot open, which is the LH Emery. How much have I got? Oh! I've got half a litre there. Got half a litre of lum there. Oh, I've got fucking loads. There's 2 litres there. Yeah, fucking loads of LHM. I could afford to do the whole job all over again. Hang on. Go on, Keith. The hydraulic pressure loss light has gone off. She's up and weirdly not leaking. Oh shit, have I fixed it? All the way down. I fixed it? Oh my god, I fixed it? I fixed it. I fixed the Citroen, la 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 la. Oosh, da! Look at it. Right, hang on. Let's just make sure that I'm not being premature here. I have been known to be. Right, full high, full high. It'll get there, we just need some time.
A few moments later.
We have full high and no leaks. Full high, no leaks. Full high, no leaks. Full low. Right, I'm over the moon. I can't wait. This thing looks so good. Before I finish this video up, I need to thank Richard, the one and only Richard Kitchen, Mr. Up and Down, because I wasn't quite sure how to fix this. I tell you what I did know. I knew I wasn't buying a new pipe, but I didn't know how to fix it. And Richard actually put me onto the compression fittings. I bounced it off him as an idea, thinking he would tell me it was stupid. And he was like, no, never had one fail. So, let's go and see if this one's going to fail. I'm going to go and drive it. I just want to drive it. I'm so happy. Let's just just for shits and gigs, let's just hit this at 30. Oh, yeah. let's hit this one at 30 as well. If you went over that in a normal car, you'd be dying. As a foisty speed bump. Right, I'm going to stop and take some pictures of the XM because, quite frankly, having fixed it, I'm in love with it. So I'm going to take it for a little bit of a drive. I'm going to go and put some fuel in it. But first off, I'm going to stop here in this little lay-by. Just here. It's going to go diagonal. I'm going to turn the lights off. I'm going to dump it on its bum. Down she goes. I'm going to take some cool pictures of it. Well, today's a good day. Today's a real good day. This is one seriously cool car. And I think more people should be into Citroen XMs because, not really, it's not that. No, something might go drastically wrong, crazy wrong within the next 10 to 15 minutes. But this ain't a hard car to work on like people make out it is. I've worked on harder. And when it does work, what a car. I love the way this thing's look. It looks amazing. I'm going to wang it around this roundabout and see just how flat it stays. Body roll, completed it, mate. I don't think, I had my hand on that as like a preventative measure, but it didn't actually go anywhere. Yeah, I massively rate this thing. What a comfortable barge. It just like, it's a bit cumbersome at lower speeds, but when you're up at speed, this thing is like rocket ship. Yeah, I think I might daily this. So I've got my A6, right, and that's only because my missus is a bit funny about my kids being in old cars, but if she wasn't, I would daily this, 100%. This car's rad. Drives really well. Yeah, badass. I love being weird. Like, I don't do it for effect and I don't do it for attention, but honestly, I love driving weird, oddball cars. I guarantee you when I pull up in the petrol station now, someone's going to make a comment about this. It might be the woman behind the counter, it could be anything. Someone's going to comment on this car and be like, I haven't seen one of them for years. And I'm going to be like, yeah, that's because no one can be bothered to fix them. I just can't get over how well it drives. Sick. I can't wait for Ken to have a drive of this tomorrow. Ken loves an XM. Ken's my father-in-law. He's the reason why I'm into Citroens. That and because they're cool. Ken loves a Citroen. I love a Citroen. He always really liked an XM and had them as company cars because Ken used to be the director of a Citroen dealership. So he had all of these when they were new and sold them when they were new and stuff. Hasn't got a name. Since I fixed the hydraulic leak as well, the noise the pump makes is different. And the suspension feels softer as well. Like it's had quite a profound effect on the ride. Yeah, I'm gonna daily this. Literally yesterday, I was like, oh yeah, no, I'm going to fix it up and sell it. And now I'm like, I'd rather die. I think I'm going to treat it to some good, I'm going to treat it to some expensive jungle juice. Let's put the top quality diesel in it. Let's put 20 quid of the finest diesel I can buy in it. 20 quid's not much. Should we put 30 in? Should we really treat it? Like, after all, this is a car that hasn't had a great deal of love. This probably deserves it. Let's do it.